Hi guys, this is Vijay and I hope you are doing well. In this video lecture, we will discuss types of bodies for the car. You have listened so many times the term hatchback, sedan, coupe, limousine, fastback, convertible, SUV and MUV. Okay, this is the general term for automobile. We will discuss one by one in this video lecture. First of all, what is body? So it is a superstructure of the vehicle and chassis and body makes the complete vehicle. Generally it is made from metal or fiber. The main purpose of the car body is to provide comfort and protection to the passenger and also for the good look. Now we will discuss different types of bodies for the car. The first one is hatchback. How can we identify the hatchback car? A hatchback car can be well known with the help of its special feature like as a hatch type rear door that opens upward, 5 doors include at the rear hatch and less number of pillars. Generally hatch is provided for the put luggage in trunk or boot space and this door is known as hatch. So it is called hatchback car. In some of the hatchback car, we can also fold a rear seat and we can increase the space for luggage. In India, this is a most popular car. It is a small car for a family suitable for 5 persons. It is compact in size which enables to drive with easiness in traffic or we can say absence of difficulty in traffic like condition and squeeze into tight parking spots. It offers good fuel efficiency and low maintenance cost, but it does not compromise on cabin space and boot space. The examples are Ford Figo, Tata Indica, Hyundai i20 and Maruti Swift. These are the example of hatchback. The next one is a sedan. In British terminology, it is also known as saloon car. Sedan are more aerodynamic and very close to the ground which helps in better handling. When compared to the hatchback, it is spacious, has a good boot space, long wheelbase and also come with a powerful engine. It can accommodate up to 4 passengers comfortably and good on highways. But it surely compromise on ground clearance and can't tackle bad roads as compared to SUV. SUV means sports utility vehicle. We will discuss later on. You can easily identify sedan car from its look. Sedan car, it is divided into 3 separate sections: engine section, passenger section and luggage section. Generally, in most of the car, engine section is front side, passenger section in middle and luggage section at back side of the car. But in few of the sedan cars, luggage section at front side of the car, passenger section in middle part and engine section at back side of the car. The examples of the sedan car are Honda City, Hyundai Verna and Maruti Ciaz. Okay, these are the example of sedan car. The next one is coupe. In this type of car, mostly there is only one row of seat for 2 person with a high performance engine. Generally, this type of car we can see it in sports category. In this type of car, only 2 doors are provided. It is a very small size car as compared to the hatchback and sedan. So we can easily find parking space for these types of car and there is a less difficulty to drive it in traffic also. The examples of the coupe are Toyota Supra, Ferrari F12 and Ferrari 812 Superfast. These are the example of coupe. The next one is a limousine. A limousine is a large expensive car often driven by a chauffeur. Chauffeur means a person employed to drive a car for someone else. It is a large car and a 6-seater or bigger passenger compartment. Here driving compartment is separated from the rear compartment by sliding glass division in some of the car. Okay, and the examples of the limousine are Bella Super Stretch limousine. The next one is a fastback. In this type of car, the roof slopes down at a smooth angle to the tail of the car, and there is no any separate door at the rear end. The examples of the fastback are Hyundai i30 fastback and Ford Mustang fastback. The next category in the car is a convertible. A convertible is a passenger car that can be driven with or without a roof. The method of pullback and storing the roof vary between models. A convertible allows an open air driving experience with the ability to provide a roof when required. Potential drawbacks of convertibles are reduced structural rigidity. The majority of the convertible roofs are a folding construction made from cloth. Other types of convertible roofs included retractable hardtops, often constructed from metals or plastic, and detachable hardtops, where a metal or plastic roof is manually removed and often stored in a trunk area, or we can say boot space. The examples of the convertible car are Range Rover convertible, Jaguar convertible F-type, and Volvo C70 convertible. These are the example of convertible. The next category is a station wagon, or sometimes it is also known as estate car. Is an automotive body style variant of a sedan, or we can say saloon, with its roof extended towards the back over a cargo volume. A car with a longer body than usual, incorporating a large carrying area behind the seats and having an extra door at the rear for easy loading, with rear seats usually collapsible. The examples of the station wagon are Maruti Suzuki Baleno, Volvo C60, and Volkswagen Golf sports wagon. These are the example of station wagon. The next important category of the automobile is SUV, and the full form of the SUV is a sports utility vehicle. Okay, SUV have a better ground clearance, and it also come with equipped feature with 4x4 technology that helps to tackle bad and rough road. 4x4 means 4 wheel 4 drive. The full size SUV can accommodate up to 7 passengers as compared to the compact SUV. Although SUV have a good road presence, it can be difficult to drive in heavy traffic condition and needs more space to park. Also, the fuel economy of full size SUV is comparatively low with respect to their heavy weight and 4x4 equipment. The examples of the SUV are Mahindra Scorpio, Mahindra XUV 500, and MG Hector. These are the example of the SUV. The next category of the body style is MPV. The full form of the MPV is multi-purpose vehicle. Sometimes it is also known as MUV, multi-utility vehicle. Different MPVs can accommodate from 5 to 9 passengers depending on their size and seating configuration. It comes with all creature comfort features and good spacious cabin, and it is loved by a big family. Although it can be accommodated up to 9 passengers, the size of the vehicle is big, and it gets too difficulty to find good parking space and navigate in heavy traffic, especially in the city. The examples of the MPV are Maruti Ertiga, Toyota Innova, and Chevrolet Tavera. Okay, these are the example of the MPV. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope this content it will be helpful to you. If you would like to watch these types of technical videos, then please subscribe our channel for more technical video updates.